Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here and welcome back to the channel for a quick update on GalaGames. So, GalaGames has finally confirmed this breakdown and it looks like this next major move back down to the downside is just getting started. Let's talk about this. I want to focus on the lower time frames, but for those of you who are new, we've been looking at a lot of different higher time frame charts. We've been discussing this Elliott wave theory, discussing how this WXY double free structure is going to be confirming the next move to the downside. We're in the current final wave A, B, C to the downside on this chart. Everything is turning down. Weekly Heikonashis, rejections from the EMA ribbons. We also quite recently came into contact with the VPVR POC, the point of control, where the most amount of data has previously been traded on GalaGames. We confirmed this as resistance, and we are starting to move down right now. You can really see after we touched this, we had a very, very fast move down, just like we had a fast move up, because there's no data traded beneath our feet. So this is why I say that the breakdown is just getting started. And in the higher time frames, like I said, in case you are new, our oscillators, the breakdown is just getting started. The stochastic RSI is at 68 with a lot of room to move down. The MFI is at 65 with a lot of room to move down. And the weekly squeeze momentum indicator this week has only just trickled in to dark green, indicative that just like over here, we're going to be starting a new bearish trend. So, lower time frames, like I said, like I wanted to focus on the channel, we've been discussing this range SFP pattern. Now, we had a range low SFP swing failure pattern to the downside, and obviously this was a failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction. We had a range high swing failure pattern. This was a failed move, and now this is finally becoming a fast move in the opposite direction. You can also see the range lows of this top right here. We have just broken to the downside of these. The daily EMA ribbons have just flipped bearish. We're really confirming this move to the downside for GalaGames. You can also see, as we've been discussing, if we get rid of the EMA ribbons, now you know that they are flipping bearish. We've also been talking about this BART pattern playing out for GalaGames, and as we've been discussing, when you have these BART patterns, after you establish the top range, you come down as quickly as you establish, that huge run to the upside. So basically, what we had over here is very, very likely to play out, but just to the downside over here. It's very likely to look something like this. We're going to quickly move all the way back down to our previous lows at 0.15 or 1.5 cent rather. So really, I just wanted to give you a quick update on GalaGames and let you know that we are, of course, confirming this trend to the downside now, just like we've been predicting. Daily time frame is nuking, weekly time frame is nuking, higher time frames, oscillators have got so much room to move down. We've got no volume underneath our feet. We are confirming this higher time frame Elliott wave pattern with a price target, in my opinion, all the way down at 1 cent. So also, in the immediate lower time frames, if we're looking at the daily, drawing our Fibonacci swing low up to the swing high, you can see this 618 Fibonacci at 3.5 cent. This is your absolute last line in the sand. The second you lose your 618, it doesn't matter if you're going to be looking and saying, hey, what if we hold the 786? This is a BART pattern. As soon as you start falling like this down to the 786, you're going to complete the rest of the pattern down to 1.5 cent. And as we've been discussing on the channel, we do have a beautiful Fibonacci pattern down here at 1 cent. This is also a psychological level. Also, we do have another Fibonacci level down here at 0.04 cent, which is personally not what I'm targeting right now, but I just wanted to let you know your Fibonacci here at 3.3, 3.4 cent. If you start losing this level, GalaGames is going to confirm this BART pattern and absolutely nuke down to 1 cent, which is what we've been warning you on the channel. 1 cent is coming sooner than you think. So for today, my friends, like I said, we've made a lot of higher time frame GalaGames analysis videos. Some of our Gala videos are 15 minutes, some of them are 20 minutes. I just wanted to make this super quick update for GalaGames and let you know, in my opinion, this 1 cent price target is coming right around the corner. But for today, that's all I've got. As always, my friends, if you do enjoy my content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment, share the videos with your friends, and if you want more of my posts, charts, memes, economic data, all that good stuff, be sure to head over to my Twitter at 618_cowboy. See you in the next update, my friends. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.